Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to draw in the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva. Then when you open your project, just go to the left side of the screen, scroll down and go to the More section. And when you tap More, at the Create Something New tab, you will see the Draw icon, and it says in parentheses that it is a beta version, so it's not fully ready yet, but they are working on it, and I think this is a great update for Canva. So to do it, just tap on use, and then your drawing tools are going to pop up. As I mentioned, it is in beta, so they have a limited amount of tools for it, but in my opinion it works beautifully. You can draw anything, and you have a few pen options and obviously all the color options that you can imagine. So this is how you can draw in Canva. I think it's better than nothing, and they are working on this project, so this can be a great tool for creating your designs or even for presentations. You can use these tools when you are presenting something and maybe you want to highlight the word in your presentation or circle something or draw an arrow or anything really. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.